What's up guys, John Haas here, RN, founder of nursing.com, and I want to show you how to get started inside your account in just a few quick, easy steps. So the first page you're going to land on is the lander page for all the different courses you have access to as a member of nursing.com. You can see you have your pre-nursing courses, your student courses, your NCLEX courses, and even some new grad courses to help you along in your journey. So one of the fastest ways to get started, if you know what you're trying to study, is just to come down here and find the course that you're struggling with. Maybe it's fundamentals, community health, diagnostics, whatever. Or you can come up here and search in the search box, and it will take you to courses, cheat sheets, care plans, medications, all around whatever you search. So we search for angina here. Let's go nursing care and pathophysiology for angina. That's going to take us right to the lesson page. And you can see from the lesson page, you can watch these beautiful visual videos that explain to you from practicing nurses everything you need to know about angina. And then of course you have your nursing.com trademark cheat sheets, care plans, case studies, and everything that pop up here to help visually reinforce everything that you're learning. And you can download these, save them to your computer, print them out, and take them with you to the nursing floor. You also have picmonics available here, images, all kinds of awesome things here. And then you can also dig in much deeper into the overview. So that's a really quick way to get started. The other place I'd recommend getting started is actually right here on the practice questions. Inside the practice questions, you can choose from something like 21 different categories of NCLEX questions. You can customize your quiz entirely however you want it to do, with advanced filters, basic filters, take questions based on difficulty level of the question, answer correct, incorrect questions, SATA questions, whatever it is that you want to study. You can quickly and easily study right there. And before I move on past the questions, let me show you something really helpful and handy with these questions. If we take a couple of these questions, I'll just answer it really quick. What you're going to see is in a lot of these questions, you actually are able to view video rationales, you're able to view cheat sheet rationales, and that really helps kind of reinforce that learning with all these extra resources. So you can see here, we took a question on diabetes, and you have these nice long text rationales, but more importantly, you have these video and cheat sheet rationales. So right here inside the question, I can reinforce even deeper that learning around diabetes. And I can really say, okay, am I learning this or am I not learning this? I can watch a video on diabetes management. So if I miss a question, I really want to spend my time here digging in deeper. Now let me show you really quickly the NCLEX prep dashboard. If you have a membership and access to NCLEX prep material, this is where you're going to want to access that. Is this drop down right here, NCLEX prep material. First thing you want to do is select your test date or your anticipated test date. And that's going to give you a little countdown timer up here. And then we really recommend to people that they start with taking some questions. And we actually recommend you do it here with MPQ. Go in here, take 100 questions, a couple hundred questions. And what that's going to show you guys is that's going to show you these areas that you're strong in and these areas that you're weak in. If you come under here in your performance tab, that's going to show you, look, I'm strongest in neuro, but I'm actually weakest in oncology or ear, nose, and throat. So I can go back to my NCLEX dashboard and go into those courses built around oncology and ear, nose, and throat. I can also engage with the NCLEX ebook that we have, and then I can take SimCLEX. And once I've taken SimCLEX, all my past SimCLEX are going to appear down here for me to review. Remember, SimCLEX is a computer adaptive test that mimics the algorithms of the NCLEX. So it's super helpful as you're going through there. So as always, you can access all the nursing student stuff over here, your courses, your practice questions, your cheat sheets, and all that stuff. But then when you want to dig in and dive deeper into your NCLEX prep, all you got to do is just come over here to NCLEX prep dashboard, take a SimCLEX, and as soon as you take a SimCLEX, you're going to have suggested study areas pop up right here. So it's super easy to get started. It's super fast to navigate your way around. And what's best about this is how all of these visual resources come together, and as you learn from practicing experienced nurses to really help you master this content of nursing school and for the NCLEX in a clear, concise, and visual way. We want you guys to succeed. Now go out and be your best self. Happy nursing.